students, welcome to Vidya Myriad. This video is made for class 7 on chapter number 9 rational numbers, and today we are going to begin with exercise 9.1 from Ncert. Let's begin with question number 1. List 5 rational numbers between the following. The first one, -1 and 0. Now first of all, you should know what are rational numbers. Rational numbers are represented in a form of P upon Q, that means in a form of a fraction. Now we need to find out 5 rational numbers that lies between -1 and 0. This -1 and 0 we will try to convert it into a fraction form. For that, what I have done is I have multiplied both the numbers with 6. So -1 multiplied by 6, denominator will be also 6. 0 multiplied by 6 divided by 6, that means multiply and divide by 6. Now my new number formed is -6 upon 6 and 0 upon 6. Now another thing you need to take care that denominator should be same. Now here we have 6 as a denominator, and now take care of the numerator. We have -6 and 0. In between -6 and 0, there lies 5 rational number, -5, -4, -3, -2 and -1. So everything, all the numbers with the denominator 6 are the rational numbers that will lie between -1 and 0. You can even multiply and divide by 10. You want to multiply by 100, you can do it as per your choice, but it should be more than 5, because only in that case it becomes easier for you to find out the 5 rational numbers. If I do with 5, my fraction will be -5 upon 5 and 0 upon 5. Between -5 and 0 there will be 4 rational numbers. That is why minimum number taken over here is 6. Number 2, -2 and -1. Multiply and divide by 6, you get -12 upon 6 and -6 upon 6. So all the numbers lying between -12 and -6 will be the rational numbers that lie between -2 and -1. Third case, -4 upon 5 and -2 upon 3. Now here you already have a denominator, but both are different. For that case, we will try to make the denominator same by taking out the LCM of 5 and 3, which is 15. So if I want to make denominator as 15, I need to multiply the first number by 3. So 5 3s is 15. So numerator also I will multiply by 3. So -4 upon 5 to be multiplied by 3, you will get -12 upon 15 as your first rational number. The second is -2 upon 3 to be multiplied by 5 to get 15 as a denominator. It becomes -10 upon 15 rational number. So what is it? We need to find out 5 rational numbers between -12 upon 15 and -10 upon 15. Now denominator is same. Now what is lying between -12 and -10? Only one number, that is -11. So that means we need to further multiply and make the denominator same. So here I am multiplying it with 3. Multiply and divide both the fractions with 3. We get -36 upon 45 and -30 upon 45. Now 45 denominator is my same. Between 36 and -30 I can find out 5 numerators, that is -35 upon 45, -34 upon 45, -33 upon 45, -32 upon 45 and -31 upon 45. Next, 1 by 2 and 2 by 3. Take the LCM of 2 and 3 to make the denominator same. So new fraction becomes 3 upon 6 and 4 upon 6. Now between 3 and 4 there is no rational number between them. So what I have done is I have multiplied and divide both the numbers by 10. So it becomes 30 upon 60 and 40 upon 60. My denominator is same. Now between 30 and 40 there are more than 5 numbers between them, but we can choose any 5 from them and we can write down our answer. Question number 2. Write 4 more rational numbers in each of the following patterns. Now first thing is, let us observe the pattern. I have written in the box, just look into the numerator. In the numerator you have minus 3, minus 6, minus 9, minus 12. All these are multiples of 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12. But it is minus 3. So minus 3 into 2 if I do, then it is minus 6. Minus 3 into 3 I will do, it will come minus 9, which I want. So minus 3 into 4 is minus 12. Same way, look into the denominator. It is 5, 10, 15, 20. These are the multiples of 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. So like this I will proceed my pattern. So my new fractions become minus 15 upon 25, minus 18 upon 30, minus 21 upon 35 and minus 24 upon 40. Same way we will do the second part. The fraction is minus 1 upon 4, minus 2 upon 8, minus 3 upon 12. Let us observe the patterns over here. It is minus 1 into 2, minus 2, minus 1 into 3, minus 3. So it means you are multiplying with 2, 3 and further it will be 4, 5, 6, 7. Denominator is 4, 8, 12. 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. So next will be 4 4s are, 4 5s are, 4 6s are, 4 7s are. So in that respect my next rational numbers are minus 4 upon 16, minus 5 upon 20, minus 6 upon 24 and minus 7 upon 28. Third part, minus 1 upon 6, 2 upon minus 12, 3 upon minus 18, 4 upon minus 24. Only first digit 1 is having minus sign, remaining all are positive. Same way in the denominator, first digit 6 is positive, all other are negative. So we will follow the same pattern, that denominator we will put minus sign. In the numerator the sequence is 1 into 2, 1 into 3, 1 into 4. So remaining will be 1 into 5, 1 into 6, 1 into 7, 1 into 8. Denominator is the table of 6. 6 2s are, 6 3s are, 6 4s are. So now we will write it with 6 into minus 5, 6 into minus 6, 6 into minus 7, 6 into minus 8. So your fraction is 5 upon minus 30, 6 upon minus 36, 7 upon minus 42, 8 upon minus 48. Fourth part, minus 2 upon 3, 2 upon minus 3, 4 upon minus 6, 6 upon minus 9. Same way now this is again the table of 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Denominator 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9. Same way the next pattern will be followed. So your fraction becomes 8 upon minus 12, 10 upon minus 15, 12 upon minus 18 and 14 upon minus 21. Give 4 rational numbers equivalent to. Now when we want to find the equivalent numbers, we will multiply and divide the fraction with the same number. If we are using 2, so it will be multiplied in the numerator, it will be multiplied in the denominator to find the equivalent numbers. Now here since we have to find out 4 rational numbers, so I have used 2, 3, 4 and 5, which is multiplied in the numerator and denominator to get the respective equivalent fractions. So for the first case, minus 2 upon 7, the 4 rational numbers which are equivalent are minus 4 upon 14, minus 6 upon 21, minus 8 upon 28, minus 10 upon 35. Second case, 5 upon minus 3. So again these is multiplied by 2, 3, 4, 5. So your fraction is 10 upon minus 6, 15 upon minus 9, 20 upon minus 12 and 25 upon minus 15. Third case, 4 upon 9. So fractions are 8 upon 18, 12 upon 27, 16 upon 36 and 20 upon 45. Draw a number line and represent the following rational numbers on it. Now for a number line, you have a positive side and you have a negative side. Your right side numbers are positive after 0 and your left side before 0 will be the negative numbers. Now we need to represent 3 upon 4. Just look into the denominator 4 and we will think of it will lie between what two numbers. Now if I want to know 3 upon 4, if I divide, it is something coming like 0.75. 0.75 lies between 0 and 1. That means 3 upon 4 will lie between 0 and 1, and I will make 4 equal parts between them. Then count 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the third part, 3 upon 4, will be the required fraction on the number line. The second is minus 5 upon 8. That means it is on my left hand side in the negative number. Minus 5 upon 8 will also lie between 0 and minus 1. But now between the numbers 0 and minus 1, I will draw 8 equal parts. And I will count it. The fifth part will become my required fraction, that will be minus 5 upon 8. Third is minus 7 upon 4. Now minus 7 upon 4 means minus 1.75. That means this will lie between minus 1 and minus 2. Now since the denominator is 4, I will draw 4 equal parts between my numbers. Count 7 from 0 towards the left side. It will be minus 7 upon 4 as a required fraction. Lastly, 7 upon 8. 7 upon 8 means it will lie between 0.875, which is 0 and 1. Now here, since 8 is in the denominator, I will draw 8 equal parts between 0 and 1, and I will count 7 from my 0 towards my right side because it is positive. So 7 upon 8 is my required number. Question number 5. The points P, Q, R, S, T, U, A and B on the number line are such that TR is equal to RS is equal to SU and AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. Name the rational numbers represented by PQ and RS. Now here all are divided equally into 3 parts. If you see the numbers and the gaps, the USRT, there are 3 equal parts. A, P, Q, B, there are also 3 equal parts. We need to find out what is P, what is Q, R and S. Now P is represented by 7 upon 3 because 3 equal parts. 3 parts will be between 0 and 1, 1 and 2 also. So between 0 and 1, 3 parts. Between 1 and 2 also 3 parts. 3 and 3, 6 plus 1, P, 7. So 7 upon 3. Like that we will count. Q will be 8 upon 3. Similarly, R is on the left hand side. 0 and minus 1 also there will be 3 equal parts. That means 3 parts from there. And then further I will count R as 1, minus 4 upon 3. S will be minus 5 upon 3. Question number 6. Which of the following pairs represents the same rational numbers? So let us see. For that we need to try to reduce it to its lowest term, whatever numbers are possible. The first one, minus 7 upon 21 and 3 upon 9. Minus 7 upon 21 is divisible by 7. So I can write minus 1 upon 3 is not equal to 1 upon 3. Because 3 upon 9 can be further split into 1 upon 3. 1 is negative, 1 is positive, so they are not equal. Minus 16 upon 20 can be further reduced to minus 4 upon 5. And 20 upon minus 25 can be reduced to 4 upon minus 5. We can shift this minus up. It can be also written as minus 4 upon 5. It means both are same. For the third part, minus 2 upon minus 3 can be written as 2 upon 3. The other number is 2 upon 3. Both are same. Minus 3 upon 5 and minus 12 upon 20. Minus 3 upon 5 will remain same. Minus 12 upon 20 can be written as minus 3 upon 5. It can be reduced by the table of 4. So they are same. 8 upon minus 5 and minus 24 upon 15. 8 upon minus 5 can be written as minus 8 upon 5. And minus 24 and 15 can be divided by 3. So it comes minus 8 upon 5. Both are same. 1 upon 3 and minus 1 upon 9 both cannot be further split, so they are not same. Next part, minus 5 upon minus 9 and 5 upon minus 9. Now minus 5 upon minus 9 can be written as 5 upon 9 and 5 upon minus 9 can be written as minus 5 upon 9. So one number is positive and one number is negative, so they are not same. Question number 7. Rewrite the following rational numbers in the simplest form. That means we will try to reduce it as far as possible. The number 1 here, what you can do is, if you see both the numbers in the numerator and the denominator are even numbers, so you can start from 2. They will be divisible by 2. Okay, and you can proceed it further. So minus 8 upon 6, they both are divisible by 2. So it can be minus 4 upon 3. This is the reduced or the simplest form. 25 upon 45, it has 5 as its units place, so it will definitely be divisible by 5, so it is 5 upon 9. Minus 44 upon 72, it's an even number, I will divide it by 2, I get minus 22 upon 36. This is again even number, it can be further divisible by 2, it comes minus 11 upon 18. Next very important thing you need to know, that in a number line you have numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 on your right hand side, and on your left hand side you have minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Now if I look at my right hand side, if you go away from the 0, as far as away from the 0, that number will be the bigger number. But if I go on my left hand side, the negative number, if I move away from 0, that number will get smaller. So my left hand side becomes smaller, my right hand side will become bigger. Based on this, we will do the next, because we have to fill in the greater than, less than or equal to sign. For this, we will try to make the denominator same. Once the denominator is same, looking into the numerator, we can decide which one is bigger and which one is smaller. Now, minus 5 upon 7 and 2 upon 3. Denominators are not same. 7 and 3 are there, so denominator should be 21. If I do that, we get minus 15 upon 21 and 14 upon 21. Negative will be always smaller. One number is negative, one number is positive. 14 will be always a bigger number. Minus 4 upon 5 and minus 5 upon 7. 7 and 5, 35. Make the denominator 35. It becomes minus 28 upon 35 and minus 25 upon 35. Now both the numbers are negative. The number which is far away from 0, 28 is far away. That will be a smaller number. So 25 comes before 28. 25 minus 25 will be the bigger number. So that will be greater. Minus 7 upon 8 and 14 upon minus 16. So LCM will be 16. Numbers are minus 14 upon 16 and minus 14 upon 16. Both are same. Minus 8 upon 5 and minus 7 upon 4. 5 and 4 LCM is 20. Make the denominator 20. Minus 32 upon 20 and minus 35 upon 20. Both the numbers are negative. The number which is far away is minus 35. So that will be a smaller number. 32 comes first. That will be a bigger number. 1 upon minus 3 and minus 1 upon 4. So 4 and 3, 12. Minus 4 upon 12 and minus 3 upon 12. Minus 3 comes first. Then comes 4. So minus 3 upon 12 is bigger. 5 upon minus 11 and minus 5 upon 11. It can be written as minus 5 upon 11 and minus 5 upon 11. Both are same. So we will put equal to sign. 0 and minus 7 upon 6. So 0 will come first and then the negative numbers will come. So 0 is bigger than minus 7. Which is greater in each of the following? 2 upon 3 or 5 upon 2. Make the denominator same. LCM will be 6. So answer is 4 upon 6 and 15 upon 6. Now both are positive, 4 and 15. 15 is far away, 15 is a bigger number. So 15 upon 6 is greater than 4 upon 6. Next, minus 5 upon 6 and minus 4 upon 3. LCM will be 6. So minus 5 upon 6 as first fraction, second is minus 8 upon 6. Now both are negative, minus 5, minus 6. What will come first, 5 or 8? 5 will come first, so 5 is a bigger number. Minus 3 upon 4 and 2 upon minus 3. 4 and 3 LCM is 12. So it will become minus 9 upon 12 and minus 8 upon 12. What is bigger, 8 or 9? 8 is bigger. So minus 8 upon 12 is greater than minus 9 upon 12. Next part. Minus 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 4. Which is bigger? One is minus 1, one is plus 1. Plus 1 is always bigger. Fifth part. Minus 3 2 by 7 and minus 3 4 by 5. They both are in mixed fraction. Convert it into improper fraction. It will be minus 23 upon 7 and minus 19 upon 5. 7 and 5 LCM is 35. Multiply it. You will get minus 115 upon 35 and minus 133 upon 35. 115 will come first. 133 will come later. It is negative sign, so it will be greater. 115 will be greater. Minus 115 will be greater than minus 133. Write the following rational numbers in ascending order. What is ascending order? Smaller to bigger and denominator should be same. So minus 3 upon 5, minus 2 upon 5, minus 1 upon 5. All the denominators are same. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. So we know the rule. In the left hand side, the farther the number from 0, that will be the smaller number. So minus 3 will be smaller, minus 2, then minus 1. That means minus 1 is greater. So we will write it as minus 3 upon 5 less than minus 2 upon 5 less than minus 1 upon 5. Next, 1 upon 3 minus 2 upon 9 and minus 4 upon 3. Denominator is not same. Take the LCM. LCM comes out to be 9. So if I change my fraction, it will come to 3 upon 9 minus 2 upon 9 and minus 12 upon 9. Definitely negatives are smaller. Minus 12 is far away. That will be the smallest number. Then comes minus 2. Then comes 3. Next, minus 3 upon 7, minus 3 upon 2 and minus 3 upon 4. So 7, 2 and 4 LCM is 28. Convert them. You will get minus 12 upon 28, minus 42 upon 28, minus 21 upon 28. All are negative. So we know the rule. Farther the number 42 will come first, then come 21, then come 12. So that becomes our fraction. That's all for this exercise 9.1. Please remember the rules. Do it carefully. If you have any doubt anywhere, you can mention in the comment section or you can also email me. Very soon I am going to come with the next video. Till then children, have a great day.